Is compound crypto a good investment? If so, why is it dropping? Will comp recover from its losses, or is compound crypto dead? We'll answer these questions and more in our compound price forecast. According to our compound price forecast for 2023, the token is expected to have a high price of 78.78 and a low price of 32.43. Comp digital money is expected to reach a high value of 78.78. Based on what we think the average cost of living will be in 2030, the average price of a token may be around $300.70 by the end of that year. What is complex cryptography? Blockchains were made based on a formula that was always looking for a way to make a standard that could deal with escape clauses in the buying and lending of government-issued money. However, there were still some questions about buying and lending that hadn't been answered. Large exchange fees, a lack of transparency, and limited liquidity are major problems in the field of created stages. Bitcoin and the Ethereum organization didn't fix these problems either. The build is an algorithmic independent loan cost standard that allows developers to make a wide range of open financial apps. Cryptographic types of money-like mixtures have been gaining more and more attention and moving forward. Compound Comp is an IRC-20 resource that involves local area management of the compound convention. The whole structure of the compound is based on zero-disclosure proof, which means that the whole exchange system can be cross-checked without revealing any information or message about the other party involved with the exchange. This puts the power in the hands of the client in the end. The compound has regular update plans, which means that this convention is flexible enough to adapt to the different uses of today as well as the ones that are yet to come. What is unique about Compound? How is combination different from its unlike Bitcoin and other competitors? Here the direction is built into the blockchain itself. Its open lending platform lets them get interest on their balance of owned Ethereum tokens or get a loan. The Compound's People Group administration sets it apart from other gatherings. The compound is also doing a good job of changing laws and making sure they are in line with creative business rules. Testing the current environment. Group Compound knows that blockchain's full potential can only be reached when the key system is in place. This progressive innovation is a gift from heaven because compound interoperability keeps companies' blockchains up to date and gives them global reach, a whitelist of clients and apps, decentralized applications, and constant changes and updates. Based on the coin value expectation and technical value test, the elimination of the whole crypto area and backwards rate build has shown that there is a huge potential to perform reliably and recover the lost value. The current reach hasn't changed much, but that's because the market and economy aren't good. Competing with partners like Heavenly and Ethereum, Compound has put it at 113, but that doesn't mean it's not good. Based on what we expect, the conch price should do well over the next couple of years. It's not normal to have a long increase. Long-term gas prices are $6.569. They are expected to hit $37.458 by the beginning of December 2023. The average highest cost is $48,060, and the average rent is $32,681. According to the expected increase in prices for 2025, it could go up to $38,448 by the end of the year. It wouldn't be a surprise if compound prices broke through all the barriers and made our everyday lives harder. The compound cost is $36.44 today, and the market cap is $271,810,395. The number of times comp is traded in 24 hours is 11,640,240. And there are 74, 69, 66, 57 comp in circulation. Let's look at what we think the bonus cost will be in the next 2 years. Based on past prices and what conch coin is expected to cost in 2023, the cryptocurrency will be worth in 2023, the highest price will be 78.78, and the lowest price may be 32.43. The average price should be around $55.60 as the value of cryptos is predicted to rise. If you invest in them wisely, you could get good returns. According to the compound predictions, the coin might trade between 66.64 cents and 95.93 cents in 2024, where 66.64 cents is the lowest price and 95.93 cents is the highest price. At the same time, it is thought that the coin might cost an average of 81.29 compound coin value expectation 2025 according to our comp crypto cost prediction. The price of the coin will go up by about 50% over the course of the year. It will trade from a possible low of 81.88 to a possible high of 117.87. The average price of the coin will be 99.88. Based on our compound estimate, we think the price of the coin will have gone up by more than 70% by 2026. The lowest and highest prices are expected to be 101.69 and 146.39, respectively. At the same time, the average price of the coin could be around 124.4 cents. The cost at the end of the year could be close to $145, making it a good purchase. Based on our prediction of how much a coin will cost over time, this is what we think its value will be in 2027. The future of the sign is bright. Comp's cost is expected to be between 128.41 and 184.85, with 128.41 being a possible low and 184.85 being a possible high for 2027. The average price could be 156.63, with a larger market cap. Based on our compound prediction for 2028, the coin could reach 235 before the end of this year, which would be a 545% increase from its current price. At the same time, the base and average prices are estimated to be around 106.63.36 and 199.27. Value of coins in 2029 according to our compound cost prediction, the cost of resources will recover well and get close to their ADH. According to our comp value forecast, the most it could cost is about 275.34 cents, while the least and most it could cost is about 191.26 and 233.30. The exchange of comps will keep happening everywhere, and most people would agree that with all the back and forth, cash might reach the ceiling of 354.88 before this decade is over in 2030. Also, based on our comp crypto price prediction for 2030, its starting price could be $246.52 in 2030. Is complicated about Hawaii. Payment proposals, real estate deals, and Arthur Hayes' thoughts on the Bitcoin price. Even though there were a lot of interesting things happening in the crypto world on Friday, Bitcoin's price went down a bit, selling at $26,126, a drop of over 1%. In a surprising move, a U.S. presidential candidate has said that he wants to pay his workers with Bitcoin. This adds to the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. The Cayman Islands,